Okay, just got the wire setting here, so my hot and ground will come out of here, go up through here, on the back side over there, and come down into here. Oops. And then I've got, coming from my switch, up to the first light, which is coming across the ceiling here. I've got a hard point there. It's coming across, and where my light is, I'm coming down here to the light. So now I'll take a ground from here and go back over to the fuse box, and then a hot from here over to this light, a hot and a ground to this light. So when I flip the switch, these two will come on. Alright, little by little, it's getting done. Okay, here's the second light on the circuit. Comes down, across, goes up under there, hard point there, comes across, hard point there, and then goes up into the harness. This is the positive and negative coming from the fuse block. And then I've got a hot wire, actually two hot wires. That one will go to the front switch, my light, one will go to the back light. So they come up over, and this comes up through here, comes through here, and up to this light. So that's one switch covered. That's all I want to do for now, because I'm trying to get this ceiling section in, which will go all the way across here. So if I get that in now, I don't have to worry about it later. And if I have a problem of any kind, the ceiling is just screwed in place. It's not glued, so it's easy to take down. And I'm going to ground all my lights to the chassis, because the chassis is grounded to the battery. So it would be doing the same thing as going back to the fuse box. Just saves time in wiring. If that's a problem, let me know. Thanks. Well, my supervisor is either checking the inside of the cabinet to see what the quality is, or he's snoozing. Which could it be? Can we sneak up on him and see? HD, are you snoozing? He's listening, so he's not snoozing. I guess he's checking the cabinet.